I'm not afraid.
Damn, it's really bright up here. I guess I should have brought some sunglasses if I knew we were shooting a video outside. Now some of you out there might be up on your roof talking to yourself too, but you ain't famous rappers, so no one cares. Now if you excuse me, I'm going downstairs.
You can try and throw away my lyric sheets before I can read them. Ha! Too bad I got them memorized, I don't even need them. Yeah, I still got homophobic lines, but you can't get upset, cause that fag Elton John and I once did a duet. To my fans, I apologize for ruining your life. I'll get back to writing songs about murdering my wife. He spits his lines at perfect time without any rehearsing. Sometimes he rhymes about himself in the third person. His rapping is hilarious or completely serious, and if you make fun of him, then he will get freaking furious. Cause he can dish it out, but he just can't take it. Like a baker who hates cake, but always bakes it. Who's this dude looking at me? He looks just like me. He's clocking me, mocking me. I think he wants to fight me. Ow, I tried to hit the man, but he broke my hand, and then he ran. Must have been a crazy fan. Oh, damn, there he is again. I'm not afraid to throw a chair. It was from IKEA. So I don't care. I'm bumping into people on the street. I'm wearing shape-ups on my feet. I'm just like you, I've been there too. I'm rich and famous, so I take that back. It's not true. It was my decision to do drugs. I did it for fun, but now I'm done. Now I'll get back to making puns about Kim Kardashian and her 2-ton buns of fun so gargantuan that they block out the sun. I'm the world's greatest rapper, a fact that's undisputed, but for some reason I act like I'm persecuted. If you think I'm a turkey, well then you can just stuff it. I'm the only MC to have a beef with a puppet. I could rap about Afghanistan, Iraq, or BP, but I'd rather make fun of some minor celebrities. Here's a list of people that I'd like to impeach: Patricia Heaton, Will Wheaton, Ruben Studdard, and Screech. But I won't diss Kanye or Lil Wayne, that ain't fun. They're both really nice and they ain't hurt no one. But screw Michael J. Fox, cause he shakes when he walks. Aren't you glad that I'm back to get this message across? I'm not afraid to get really pissed. At all my critics that hardly exist. I'm such a whiny baby, I'll keep complaining. I'm rich as hell, my records sell. I'm such an ass, but I'll get a pass. People love me cause I can rhyme words really fast. Talking of awesome.